just wanted to make another video. I know it's been a while, so for that I apologize. Things have been pretty busy out in the shop. You know, the beginning of April got pretty slow as all the businesses started closing around here. For those of you who don't know, I live in Waterloo, New York. And basically, everything turned on all at the same time. So I was trying to get everything done, and things were working out pretty good, and I just started tripping over myself. Things just got so busy in the shop, I had nowhere to put anything, and the organization just started going crazy. So I kind of shut down, and that's what I focused on. For those of you who have seen some of the other videos, I never really showed anything around. I didn't really have much room. So I figured I'd let you guys in on some of the stuff that I've been up to, or some of the things that I've been up to, and basically show you the new benches that I built, this being one of them. It's a 4x8, and basically now I have room to put everything underneath. And for some of you who don't know, this was one of my original benches where I typically do all the vinyl weeding and all that stuff, and then pull the transferred tape over for the adhesive vinyl, like Oracle 651. Then I used to have a shelf right here with a heat press on it, this heat press, for a short time, and then I just stuck my vinyl cutter in there and built this little the media basket for it. And it comes with a stand, but doesn't come with a media basket. Why, I don't know. You pay $2,000 for a cutter, you think it'd come with it. But yeah, Roland, for that reason, they made me mad. One of the other purchases that I had was the heat press. I did have a cheap China press, I think from eBay, maybe $250, something like that. And this one I just upgraded to an S-450 HIX. They really are workhorses, and it works great. It has constant pressure from the plate being right in the center of the heat press. Has this little gas shock, and has auto open. The bottom platen actually pivots a little bit, so you always have the constant pressure. Has the pressure readout up here on the heat press. Let me see if I can. There we go. Has the pressure readout right here, so whenever you clamp it down, it tells you what the actual number of the pressure is. Medium pressure is typically like 5 to 6, and high pressure is typically 7 to 9. It has 4 different presets. You can set it up so that, like for transfers, for example, the heat press transfers, or I'm sorry, the plastisol transfers from FM Expressions or 613 Originals. You can set it so that it will have like a 3-second press, and then whenever you clamp it down and it pops up, it'll automatically go on to preset number 2, and that just kind of gives you an idea. But really great press. I'm glad I bought it. And this was my other bench, was just basically, it's always kind of a collect all, and it kind of still is. So this is my other bench that I built, and it actually has a pull-out cart, which I'll show you guys. So you can pull it all the way out, and then move it wherever you want, and then put it right back in. Really handy. I did have I think it was a 3x6 or 3x8 folding table that I typically use like for the laundry or whatever. That's what I had. But I also had a heater up on the wall, and I couldn't have anything around it, and then between that and the table, everything in this whole corner just became a collect-all, and I just couldn't utilize it at all. So I built this. So I have all kinds of counter space now, at least for now. One of the things that I actually have on the way is an embroidery machine, which is going to go right here. It's a Toyota 830, comes with all the hoops, all that stuff. So that's going to be a little bit of a learning experience, and I'll show that in a couple videos coming up. So this is kind of leading up to that. And I have a rack up here with some of my just miscellaneous stuff. I got some, COVID stickers there, and my own stickers, Border City Graphics, a couple of different yard signs. Probably going to stick some of my hats up here, kind of like where they already are, and then my toolbox, which has an adjustable top, and I've had that for over a year, but I don't know how many of you guys have actually seen it. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I got all this counter space, and then wall space. I put plywood up, and then I got this counter space. I've got that counter space, that counter space, and that counter space. So all of it's going to be cleaned off, and just kind of getting everything the way that I want it. And then up here, I actually have racks that are being built, or laser and bent actually. And then, if I can show you guys. But I'll show you I'll show you the ones that I am currently building, or having built. So basically, these are going to be the actual vinyl is going to go right in there, and then have enough of these to be different, different size rolls and that kind of thing. And then this is going to be the bend mark right here, and then it's going to go right up on the wall. So that's kind of my plan for right here. Zoom back out. So I'm going to put those right here, and then I'm having a couple smaller ones built, so I might stick a set here or something like that right in back of the heat press. And that's basically it. But that's kind of my overall plan, and I plan on having embroidery videos. Maybe, I don't know if I'll do the setup or not, because it'll probably take me a while. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a shout, like and subscribe. And I also plan on actually having a couple videos on my laser engraver that I have purchased. Works great. I do like these little, I do a couple different logos on coasters. I have my own logo on there. And I also do keychains, which are right here. So I've done that with it. Turned out pretty good. And then these also turned out pretty good. And then I'll put the actual school emblem on here and your name. But I charge like $5 a piece for those. $3 is for the keychain. Another $2 for the personalization on the back. And works out pretty good. I sold a lot of those, and I actually paid for the total cost of laser engravers. So it worked out pretty well. Yeah, but again, if you guys could like and subscribe, I'd very much appreciate it. I'd like to start growing this channel a little bit more, and see what we can accomplish. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.